Hello everyone, here's what the finished hat of the snowman looks like. Now, let's crochet this section together using coffee yarn. For round 1, we need to work 8 single crochet around a magic ring, 8 stitches in total. Now, left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. And loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make one magic ring. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So, this is 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. The second single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See 8 stitches. If you have more than 8 stitches, undo them until you count 8 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Put the yarn tail on the hook, then crochet over it as you work to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. The slip stitch at the end of each round is just for transitioning, it does not count as a stitch. For round 2, we need to work 8 increase, 16 stitches in total. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. The beginning chain of each round is only used for transitioning, it does not count as a stitch. Please do not include it when counting your stitches. Insert hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Insert hook into the same stitch, and work another single crochet. 2 single crochet in the same stitch equal 1 increase. So now, we got 1 increase, see 2 stitches. Insert hook into the next stitch and work 2 single crochet to make 1 increase. Got 2 increase, see for stitches. Repeat with 6 more increase. Now, the last increase of round 2. Finished 8 increase. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Finished round 2. For round 14, work only into the back loop of each stitch to make 16 single crochet, 16 stitches in total. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the center of the first stitch to bring up the back loop and work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch. The second single crochet in the back loop of the next stitch. 3. Repeat single crochet in the back loop of each stitch to finish 16 single crochet for round 3. Now, the last single crochet of round 3. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 3. For round 4, we need to work 4 sequences of 3 single crochet, 1 increase, 20 stitches in total. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch. Repeat with 2 more single crochet. Continue with 1 increase. 2 single crochet in the same stitch equals 1 increase. Finished 1 sequence of 3 single crochet, 1 increase, see 5 stitches. Continue with 3 single crochet next. The first single crochet, 2, 3, and 1 increase. Finished 2 sequences. Continue with 3 single crochet next. And 1 increase. Finished 3 sequences. Continue with 3 single crochet next. And 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 4. For round 5, work only into the front loop of each stitch to make 10 sequences of 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Next we need to work 1 half double crochet. Yarn over and insert hook into the front loop of the first stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through all the 3 loops on hook to work 1 half double crochet. Mark this stitch. Continue with 1 half double crochet increase next. Yarn over and insert hook into the front loop of next stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through all the 3 loops. Yarn over and insert hook into the front loop of the same stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through all the 3 loops. Finished 1 sequence of 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase. Work 1 half double crochet in the front loop of the next stitch. Continue with 1 half double crochet increase in the front loop of the next stitch. Finished 2 sequences. We need to repeat with 8 more sequences of 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase. Finished 9 sequences. Continue with 1 half double crochet next. And 1 half double crochet increase. Finished 10 sequences. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 5. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 10-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Finished the hat of snowman.